I've been trying to learn Japanese for the past 4 months, but there is something where I am stuck, and it's this one. I don't know why this needs to be so hard. I know so many people can do this easy, but I can't even remember all these characters. And I don't want to talk about kanjis. This is like impossible. But after thinking so much about, I realized it's not about this is hard, not. This about what is the method that I use it for. Because when I was learning English, I use a lot video games. But to be honest, all these Japanese learning apps, specifically Duolingo, are very bad. So with this new AI environment, I'm going to try to create my first Japanese video game to learn Japanese and make my Japanese learning journey a bit easier. What's up, my vibers? Here's Ron. Welcome back to the challenge to create 30 mobile apps in 30 days. Today we're gonna create our first mobile game to learn Japanese. If you don't know me yet, I am Ron. I'm a vibe coder and try to show the world that you can create apps, web apps, applications, SaaS, and Chrome Station only using vibe coding and AI. So today we are gonna create this mobile game that you are looking in the screen to learn Japanese. So let's get into the tutorial. Alright guys, we are here. If it's the first time that you are seeing this challenge, there's 3 rules that you need to know about this challenge are the following. To build this mobile game application, I can only use vibe coding apps, absolutely zero code. Alright. The second rule is I can only use free tier option because I'm trying to show you that you can create and build functional applications with zero budget. And the last one, I'm learning too, I can make mistakes. So I don't want to waste so much time in this. If you want to know all the rules, go to the previous video. Alright, let's get into it. The Kana Blaster. We are gonna create the Kana Blaster. First of all, is copy the prompt. Right, copy the prompt. Obviously the prompt is going to be in the copy paste zone that you can see. Simply copy and paste, and obviously go below to find the inspiration section. You are gonna copy all these images and paste it into Lovable. I got 3 images that obviously is going to be in the resources below. Remember, all the resources to create this Kana Blaster, this mobile game, is going to be in the link below. So let's create the app. Alright vibers, we have the first prototype. Remember, this is the test phase. We need to test this game to find all the bugs, minor bugs, all the things that is not working, and all the features that we want to add. Obviously, let's use it. Example, I can use it fine, perfect. Romaji, alright, it's worked pretty fine to me. But there is something that is looking that there is not the phone. Oh, I don't wanna. I don't. I don't want to die yet. But there is no any touch control to the trackpad. So we need to create this. Let me test when you eat. No, it's actually alright. Yes. Return to the game. How to play. Highest score. Perfect. So remember. Now we need to add all the features. For example, this case is add the phone mobile control. Right. Control. Perfect. Remember the structure that I'm gonna explain again about always. All your prompts need to be written in an order. What does it mean order? First doing this 10 success 10 only after complete this successfully going to the thing. Remember the prompt. I need you add the following features. The following features in a order. In an order in a step by step. I'm only after one feature is finished and working successfully, then you are going we're going to the next video. Why we are doing this? In every chapter are going to say the same. Instead of tell the AI create all at the same time, just say, hey, first create this using this, and after use create this feature, this complement, and it's working successfully, then going to do this. Obviously, you need to wait a bit more, but this makes sure that you don't want to have so many errors, minor bugs, and with this sequential prompting, you can even say many messages. I remember we have only 5 messages to finish this project. All right, add the full mobile control arrows, right? Add the mobile shooter button. All right, perfect. Add these 2 things. This is the only 2 things that I guess we need. All right, I have bombs. Bombs. It's not working. All right, let me fix that too. All right. Bomb button is not working. Working in PC and phone. Well, make sure it's working. Bomb button is not working in PC and phone, and I can send bombs. All right, guys. Perfect. We paste it. All right. I'll wait a bit more to know if it's working, if we need to fix it, or we need to connect to Supabase and make our mobile game alive. Alright, vibers, we finally have the mobile game here. I'm gonna show you a quick video in this side probably, or this side, that is working pretty well in Android. I was thinking about to use the arrows, but the final result I don't like so much. So I integrate a touch mode inside of the phone instead to add this arrow in the screen because it looks like very annoying to use, that it was not such responsive. So actually I won't connect this game into Supabase because there's nothing that I would like to save. Obviously I can save the records, data entry and all the things like that, but practically this is a video game, an arcade game, a bullet fire game to learn Japanese that not needs such a big things. So the next step that we are gonna do right now, right? Perfect. Is deploy it, publish or project. Remember, first of all, always publish your project, even if it's not perfect, but exists. Even if something is not perfect, if it exists, it's better than nothing. Alright, we have our project being published. Now the next step, like in the rest of the video, is going to median.com because we are gonna use median.com to turn our web app into a mobile app, and after this install it in our phones. Alright, I'm gonna create a new app. Obviously, create an account in median.com. Median.com is not sponsored this video. I would lie. If somebody from Median is looking this video, and open to work together. So, perfect. We have the link. We copied this link. Go to Web paste this link. I'm gonna use Kana Blaster. Fine. Kana Blaster. Perfect. Organization. Start building my app. And meanwhile, we are waiting for this. The next step is going to Recraft. Recraft is the application. Is the website that we are using to craft all the mobile app icon for any apps because create really well results even with the free tier options. Alright, Go back to here, I build it. Yeah, let's create this. I don't have ideas to grab this mobile app icon, but let's do it. Remember, always open Recraft. Perfect. Right icon. Icon. Alright. And choose this one. I don't know, UI app icon for a Japanese arcane game with a spaceship in the middle with neon design. Alright, I guess this could be works fine. We wait a bit to get the icon. Right. I like this. Wow, works at the first one. Right, perfect. Remember, right click, export as PNG to have no background and use directly. Perfect. Now go into Canna Blaster, load. Right, a bit more. Yes, a bit more. Right here. Alright. Saving image. We wait a bit more. Wait. Our first mobile app game to learn Japanese is a bit. It's a bit better with every step. I'm just getting excited with the final result. Right, save changes. We have the name. We have the icon. Now it's time to build the APK. Like the other videos, guys, I don't have right now an iPhone to teach you how to deploy into iPhone, and beside of this needs a lot of things like a developer iOS account. I don't have it right now, but I promise you in the future have a full vibe calling apps for iOS devices, because I know so many people that is watching my videos have an iPhone instead of an Android. So I promise you to create a specific tutorial for every one of them. Perfect. Our app practically is created, but we need to deploy it. Build it. Perfect. Go load Android. We wait a bit more. Alright. Build all. Build binaries. Build search. Build all. Perfect. Right, guys, it's time to wait to Median make this magic where we don't need to do absolutely anything more than just wait for the app. Alright, we have the APK. I'm gonna install it in a phone. Just give me a few cuts. I'm gonna install this application. Practically, I'm sharing the screen with the PC. Alright, download on Android. Perfect. Worries. Open. Canna Blaster. Hi, I'm getting very excited to do this, because it's the first mobile game that I'm practically creating. This is absolutely not prepared. I feel sure that it's gonna work. Alright, something about screen management. No worries, I'm gonna fix this. I'll be back. The time that we're waiting so much is finally here. Open this. Perfect. How you can see, we have the Canna Blaster actually working. Let's play a quick, very quick. Right. Perfect. Well, that is working. To be honest, this is a bit fun that so many things like, alright, this is gonna sound very like flex, but this is funnier. Let's waste so much time in Duolingo or Anki. I am a bit active user of Anki, but I like this one to learn languages because it's so much fun. Alright guys, how you can see my record is 2000. I would like to know what will be your score. Alright, how you can see this was the video of this day creating our first mobile game. Remember, please, all the researches, all the research is in the link below. You can copy the prompt that I'm using, the inspiration that I'm using. If you want to get access all this template and all the template of this series, I'm working in a website called By Market, when I'm going to load all the templates that I'm working. Right? Alright, my internet is not helping me now. But no worries. So go to the link below to find all the searches to create this app. If you want to get access to all my templates, go to the Vibe Market in the link below. So my vibers, this was the video of today. I just wait to see you tomorrow with the next application. And remember, keep creating, keep building, keep learning, keep believing in you. See you guys.